Good morning, ma'am. I'm JRM Batoto from BSS2B, and I will discussing about information age, biodiversity, and climate change, and environmental awareness and its challenges. So in information age, we face urgent challenges: biodiversity loss, climate change, and environmental awareness. So what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is all the different kinds of life you find in one area. The variety of animals, plants, fungi, and even microorganisms like bacteria that make up our natural world. So biodiversity faces challenges such as species are disappearing due to deforestation and pollution, disrupting ecosystem vital for life. So in climate change, what is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. And the challenges of climate change faces is human activities like burning fossil fuels lead to extreme weather and rising seas, threatening communities worldwide. So environmental awareness is having an understanding of the environment, the impacts of human behaviors on it, and the importance of its protection. People worldwide are uniting to promote sustainability, conservation, and renewable energy. Together, let's protect our biodiversity, combat climate change, and raise environmental awareness for a greener future. That should be all, ma'am. Thank you.